Ayan. Hello, 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 hello sa Team Ultimax. Congratulations. And it's December, last month of the year, and it's a few days of the year. And the good thing is that you guys are learning, you guys are ready to be trained, ready to learn some more, ready to increase your skills and your knowledge para pagpasok ng 2025, ibang-ibang resulta. So first things first, I'd like to greet all the co-founders of Team Ultimax, sa lahat ng leaders worldwide. I know you're one of the fastest growing online organization of our global group of companies, may it be Powered Futurism or OVI or Mispitos International, or kung ano man yung ilalabas pa natin yung mga divisions in the very near future. Congratulations sa inyo for triumphant 2023 and looking forward for bigger, better, bolder 2025 for Team Ultimax in terms of results, in terms of rank advancement, in terms of income, in terms of leadership, in terms of development. So, 2025 will be your 10x. Okay, type nyo 10x, 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 10x. Doc, what is 10x? Before the year ends, think of what have happened during 2023. Anong ginawa mo? Anong pagkakamali? Anong tama? Sino-sino yung mga na-develop na leaders? Ilan? Ano resulta? Ikaw, ano resulta? Sila, ano resulta? Did they multiply? Were they able to duplicate kung ano yung alam mo, yung wisdom mo? May transfer ba ng maayos? So the goal is to do that 10 more times. 10x. 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 Why? If you would analyze and refer back to what you have done, you will know ano yung mga shortcomings, ano yung pagkakamali, ano yung mga maling desisyon, ano yung mga maling event, ano yung mga maling move, ano yung mga maling tao, sino yung mga maling tao, ano yung mga maling learnings na minsan in-entertain at minsan in-apply sa grupo na hindi nagbunga na maayos, personally and group-wise. So now that you have identified that, you focus on yung tamang tao, yung tamang sistema, yung tamang attitude, yung tamang learnings, yung tamang skills, yung tamang galawan mula umaga hanggang madaling araw, hanggang gabi, hanggang umaga ulit, tamang monitoring, tamang bonding, tamang training, tamang everything, tamang environment. Now you multiply that 10 times, 10 times, 10 times. So what will happen? Your result on 2025 will be 10 times, 10 times, 10 times. I'm sure marami ka pang hindi nagagawa. Even your uplands, marami pang hindi nagagawa. Even your crosslines, even your top leaders, marami pang hindi nagagawa. Last time I was with this group of leaders, HOF and Top 20, may isang leader is bragging of his new system, his new technique, saying, grabe, hindi nyo kayang gawin yung ginagawa ko, masusuka kayo pag ginawa nyo ito. And this guy belongs to the top 20, meaning malaking organization. Sabi namin, ba't masusuka pag ginawa? Ito ang hirap eh. Sabi ko, gano'ng kahirap? Mula umaga hanggang madaling araw, may kausap ako. Well, that's good. Sabi ko, sino-sino yung kinausap mo? Sabi, Dok, lahat ng bagong sali sa organization ko, binidyo call ko lahat. Wow! Umaga pa lang, may kausap na siya. 5, 10, another hour, 5, 10, another hour, 5, 10, another hour, 5, 10. Then lunchtime break, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 5. Yung gabi, may kausap siya. Ano effect sa grupo niya? Nag-add ng accounts, bumili ng maraming products, nakapag-recruit, nag-qualify sa Get Promo. Ang daming effect. Sabi nito, first time kong ginawa to. Ang tawag yan, 90-day challenge. So ikaw, anong challenge mo sa sarili mo this 2025? Anong challenge mo sa grupo mo this 2025? Anong bagong gagawin mo na mag-stretch ng utak, mag-stretch ng skills, mag-stretch ng knowledge, mag-stretch ng execution, ng event, ng activities, ng monitoring. Bakit mag-stretch? Kasi mag-a-adjust ka eh. Bago yung gagawin mo eh. Kapag bago yung ginawa mo, i-stretch mo yung capacity mo to learn, adapt, and adjust to that skill, ano resulta? Stretch 10. Ang resulta, 10x stretch. Yung ginawa ng leader na yun, sinabi nga sa ibang HOF, sinabi nga sa ibang top 20, niya yung ginagawa. And the results, phenomenal. So, anong challenge mo? I challenge you guys. How will you 10x your result? Ikaw, bilang upline, ginawa mo na ba yun? Kung ang sumali sa buong organization mo, kunwari last week, 100, tinawagan mo sila kahit group call, 5. 10. Or, samantalang dati nung nagsisimula, kinakausap lahat. Samantalang dati nung gigil nung bagong sali, nung wala pang na-achieve, wala pang kotse, wala pang resulta, wala pang achievement, wala pang rank advancement, lahat kinakausap. Pero nagka-kotse, nagka-pera, nagka-resulta, nakapag-trip kung saan-saan, nakapag-travel, nagkaroon naman ng grupo, medyo, partner, kaya mo na yan. Coach, kaya mo na yan. Mentor, kaya mo na yan. Mentor, kaya mo na yan. Ako, medyo manage. But what if you disrupt that system? Kausapin mo lahat ng bagong sali. Kausapin mo lahat ng prospects. Leave it to them. Pero pag na-qualify na, bumaba ka. Kausapin mo sila. Online and offline. I tell you, the results will be phenomenal. Proven and tested na ng ilang HOF, na ilang top 20. And now they're adapting, they're adjusting. Ano pa kaya yung ibang challenge sa pwede kong gawin? Offline and online. I'm sure madami. Kasi the biggest room to challenge yourself, challenge for more improvement, room for discovery, room for learning, room for adjustment. I know this 2025, maraming tao magkakaresulta. Kasi maraming tao ang sasali pa, maniniwala sa produkto at serbisyo, maniniwala sa company, maniniwala sa sistema, maniniwala sa grupo nyo, Team Ultimax. What's in store for them? Company may piniprepare. Management team may piniprepare. You guys, as a big organization, as upline, as mentors, as coaches, as teachers, ano ipiniprepare mo para doon sa mga bagong sasali? Once you prepare everything sa mga bagong sasali, piniprepare mo din yung income ng mga uplines. Piniprepare mo din yung income mo. So you're getting ready for the biggest income na pwede mong kitain this year. And that is 2025. Kung kumita ka na ilang milyon past years, ilang milyon kaya ang gusto mong kitain this 2025? The secret is to become prepared. The secret is to become prepared, execute those challenges personally and for your entire organization, and the results will be prepared as well. Madami ka pang di nagagawa, kaibigan. Marami pang pwedeng magawa, lalo na sa online. All you just need to do, brainstorm, meet up, collaborate with the other teams, collaborate with the other uplines. When I say collaborate, pag pinag-aralan niyo ang top 50 of the whole AIM Global Group of companies, majority of them are onliners. So Team Ultimax, tama na yung ginagawa mo. You're doing online. Now, sa lahat na nag-online, sino-sinong grupo ang nag-excel? Yan. You could learn from them. If you need guidance, pwede ko silang i-connect sa inyo. They can teach you. if you would discover yung kultura nyo, teka Dok, yung kultura namin, teka, hindi yata swak doon sa kultura ng ibang onliners. Understandable. Pero I'm sure yung kultura at sistema ang meron sila, may makukuha kang iba-ibang golden nugget that you can apply to your culture or tweak it a bit para maging applicable sa kultura at sa sistemang meron ng Team Ultimax. Ang ending, wag na wag mong gagawin kung ano lang yung ginawa mo ng 2024. Kasi ang resulta mo, kung ano rin lang yung meron ka ng 2024. I said, challenge yourself. Challenge your group 10x. Multiply everything 10 times. Learn something new, something disruptive. Be a game changer. And apply it. Learn it, apply it. And I'm sure 2025 will be one of the best year of Team Ultimax. God bless to each and everyone. Ang daming mangyayari sa 2025. I hope majority ng magiging millionaires at multi-millionaires will become a community. Team Ultimax, 10x, 10x, 10x. God bless each and everyone. Happy, abundant, progressive, and successful New Year sa inyong lahat. Mahal ko po kayo. God bless. All power.